If you're 10 years old, you have lived about 3,653 days. If you are 11 years old, you have lived around 4,018 days. If you're 12 years old, you have lived about 4,383 days. If you're 13 years old, you have lived around 4,748 days. If you're 14 years old, you have lived about 5,114 days. If you are 15 years old, you've lived around 5,479 days. If you're 16 years old, you have lived about 5,844 days. If you're 17 years old, you have lived around 6,209 days. If you are 18 years old, you have lived about 6,575 days. If you're 19 years old, you have lived around 6,940 days. If you're 20 years old, you've lived about 7,305 days. If you are 21 years old, you have lived around 7,670 days. But how old are you? Drop it in the comments.